reaction to the High Court's decision coming in from every direction tonight.
Sharon Crowley joins us live with the latest on how justices' surprise decision on abortion access. Sharon.
Yeah, that's right, Natasha and Steve. The high-stakes order coming just hours ahead of a midnight deadline. The Supreme Court deciding women will still have access to the abortion pill mifepristone. While this case does make its way through the courts. U.S. Supreme Court justices voting 7-2 to continue to allow women to have access to the abortion pill mifepristone. Only Justices Samuel Alito and Clarence Thomas dissenting. Kelly Baden is a pro-choice advocate.
I am happily surprised. It is not every day with this Supreme Court that we get good news, especially on abortion rights and access. So I want to, celebrate that we have good news right now, but I want to be clear that the case continues and we should never have been here in the first place.
Access to the abortion pill is still facing a legal challenge in a lower court. It was brought by a group of conservatives in Texas. They claim the drug is unsafe and want the court to force the FDA to roll back its authorization. Their objections have faced fierce pushback. The FDA gave approval for the drug 23 years ago and in 2016 allowed access by mail. While the legal battle wages on, the High Court says things will remain status quo. Women can still have access to medication for an abortion. Doug Burns is a former federal prosecutor.
The public has to understand that this doesn't rule on the merits of the case. This is just saying that we're not going to upset anything until the case is actually heard.
The court's action drew extra attention from both sides of the abortion debate because it comes less than a year after conservative justices reversed Roe v. Wade and allowed more than a dozen states to effectively ban abortion outright.
But this fight is far from over. We have to keep doing everything we can to protect a woman's right to choose and protect their right to get this medication.
And other New York lawmakers also weighing in. New York Governor Kathy Hochul reacting, saying in part that tonight's decision is welcome news, while also warning anti-choice extremists won't, she says, just stop at overturning Roe. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy also saying he's relieved. Both governors vowing to protect a woman's access to abortion here. Steve?
Well, all right, thanks, Sharon.